It all began with a dream of reaching a generation of people that was overlooked and abandoned by doing church as usual. The dream was dreamed, and a complex series of events ordained by God was carried out by countless people, led up to March 3rd, 2002, when Freedom Church was born in Hendersonville High School. Over the next few years, a family developed that strived to love God, love others, and serve the world. A theater became a sanctuary. A simple stairwell consumed our students, and a foyer served as a creative haven for our children. People experienced life change as our family pursued the journey of following Jesus together, and God did miraculous things. The dream was shared, and the family stepped up and purchased a field where the gateway to Gallatin would soon develop. The church continued to pursue the dream, and people who were once repelled by the church found a place where they encountered life change. Then, in the fall of 2005, everything was stirred when the new principal of the Hendersonville High School gave the ultimatum to vacate the school by October 1st, 2006. The family was faced with one of the many difficult decisions that led to the current building we worship in being completed by December 3rd, 2006. The church then experienced exponential growth by fulfilling the felt needs of Gallatin and the surrounding communities. From then till now, the church has tripled in size, offering relevant weekend services that still reach people right where they are. The students have moved from 15 kids in a stairwell to 50 students taking over the auditorium every Wednesday. The connection groups have grown from less than 5 groups to 18 in 5 communities, along with sub-ministries, including the Man Cave and Singled Out. And the FC Kids have exploded from 20 kids with a bed sheet and an overhead projector to an operation hosting over 120 kids each weekend. It is in this ministry that has become an underlying foundation to the dream of reaching this generation. It is because of this desire to reach and serve our community, we once again have reached a point where we must build upon the dream. Our children and the needs of ministering to the families have outgrown our children's facilities. The ideal age breakdowns are limited by space, and the square footage of our school-age division is 1 child per 13 square feet. This is not understood until you realize that most state minimums for children's facilities are 1 child per 35 square feet. It is our primary desire to enhance the impact of our children's ministry as to why we are building on the dream. The Building on the Dream expansion campaign is a 36-month task to raise $400,000 to add a 3,600 square feet extension to our current building. The extension will provide a larger auditorium-style room for our school-age kids, a larger classroom for our preschool division, and a signature piece that will make the children beg their parents to bring them back to church. The new facility will also house the relocation of the administrative offices due to enlarging the foyer for traffic flow into the new facility, for hospitality purposes, and for overflow space on outreach weekends. The dream lives on and is bigger than ever, and while obtainable, it is only possible through us all giving sacrificially. Only together can we fulfill a dream that can honor God and testify to men, women, boys, and girls. S. Truett Cathy, a children's Sunday school teacher and the founder of Chick-fil-A, said, "It is better to build boys than to mend men." For too long, the church has neglected the future by neglecting the present and failed to remember the words of Jesus when he said, "Let the children come to me." Join with us as we remove the obstacles and the hindrances by investing together as we continue our purpose of loving God, loving others, and serving the world.